Jamaican style steamed fish, okra, carrots, pumpkin, a little fish noodle. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give the video a like. Jamaican style steamed fish. Get up your snapper fish. These are some American style snapper with pink tails or pink snapper. We know we have yellow ones. I'll be using some carrots, pumpkin, bell pepper, the old works, onion, garlic, some okra, some cock soup noodle, and some fish noodle. So I added my veggies and I seasoned. If you're new, welcome to Shell's Time Kitchen Recipes. Yes, throwing out some recipes out there. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and give the video a thumbs up. So I added in some black pepper, a little salt, and some Maggi seasoning, and then I used some of the cock soup noodle and the fish noodle, the powder from this. Added me some water to this, scallion, thyme, bay leaf, all the seasonings you want to use. These are what I wanted to use because that's my business. Then I added in my fish. I don't like my veggies cooked too soft. I don't like soft vegetables. Added in my fish and make sure that they are covered. With this, I was doing some Jamaican style rice and peas. By now, you should have seen my Jamaican style rice and peas video that I did. Then your girl added some okra. What is Jamaican style steamed fish without okra? So for the fish noodle, I did add the noodles to it, but for the pumpkin one, I just added the powdered portion of this. And I added some butter to this. Now look at my fish bubbling. My pot is boiling. My fishes are cooking in my sauce. And listen, I love me a steamed fish done this way with lots of pepper. Yes, look at the fish them boiling up, and listen, they were fresh. They were like some frozen pink snappers that I bought, but your girl did not feel for any meat. And listen, this is also some strong back with them okra standing up in it to help to make my sauce what it needs to be, with a little dash of pumpkin. Listen, this was lit. And of course I added some spice to this, the allspice. Look at your girl steamed fish. The only thing missing was some crackers and some bami, which your girl didn't have. So listen, I just went ahead with some rice and peas with my steamed fish on a Sunday with veggies. Even this can be eaten as is. You don't have to eat with the rice. But because I know my belly would not be filled, I did add a little rice and peas on the side. And this is a Jamaican Sunday dinner meal. Steamed fish or brown stew fish cooked down with some real coconut rice and peas. And you should have seen my video by now. Guys, it's always free to give the video a like. Don't be mean with it. Please give the video a like and drop a comment. Guys, I've been begging you now for 3 years. Please give the video a like. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Quick and easy Sunday dinner. And then listen, look at the presentation. Give your girl a 10 for the presentation. My fish is fishing. Although it's out of the sea, the fish is fishing on our buzz. Look at all the color coordinations, the carrot, the pumpkin. Listen, man. Listen, nothing to me like Jamaican style roast fish, steamed fish, overbaked fish. Listen, Jamaicans have a vibes when it comes to fish. I think the best fishes are found in Jamaica, and the best fish cooking is from a Jamaican. And listen, you came to Shell's Time and you see it. Listen, my fish is lit. I have so much fish video. Curry fish, brown stew fish. Listen, we do any and everything with fish. Escovitch fish. Just check out my fish video playlist, and you will see Jamaicans know how to love up and prepare a fish. I hope you guys enjoy this, and when you see this video, that you'll watch it to the end and you'll give the video a like. My videos are always so short. And make sure you've already checked out my Jamaican style rice and peas and my teriyaki chicken.